babes, it's KeairaJay and welcome back to my channel. So this is going to be a spring break vlog. One of the things we did was go to Great Wolf Lodge, which is basically a resort style hotel that has a water park inside of it. This is a great option because it is not hot outside. So if you are interested in going to one of the Great Wolf Lodge locations, then please keep watching. I will show you guys the inside of the resort, including the water park, and then I'll also give an overall review regarding the price for admission, the amenities that are available, as well as food and other activities that they have there. It's the water park here.
This does not look like a water park.
In a quarter mile, turn right onto Great Wolf Drive.
Oh, this we just said that that's the nice one over there.
Yeah, it's over here, but it's inside, but I think maybe it's in the back.
In a quarter mile, turn right onto Great Wolf Drive.
I guess we could have took our shoes off, but it's okay. I got the back of my leg. I don't think it's full yet. I don't think it's full yet. Oh, we're waiting on this one. I don't know if I'm recording. Hold on. How's it hanging? Okay. I got it. Brooklyn. Now how am I going to get out of this? Huh? No, I don't want you to go.
It's gonna be okay.
No. No, Brooklyn. Yeah, I know that one's about to go. I know. Oh, it's about to go. Oh. Oh. Oh no. She's already eating. She had tenders and fries, and she got some cheese curds on the side. It came with the kids' drinks and some apple slices. So that was from the restaurant that's in here. It's called Buckets, and then there's another restaurant in the lobby right outside, and they had like pizza and other things. So I got a slice of cheese pizza, a Caesar salad, and a Powerade. And it was a meal. It was basically just $10. Her food was almost $20, so the restaurant inside of here is definitely more pricey. That ball is hard. Oh, yeah, it hit me in the head too. I'm about to get out of here.
Oh, this thing hit you in the head and bounce up your head.
Yeah, it hit me on the side of my head. Oh my God. I'm gonna get out of here. Yeah, hold on. Oh man. Huh?
You gotta recover?
Yeah. Sorry. What's that music coming from? Huh? I said, what's that music coming from? Oh. Oh, they're having a show.
We were made of chocolate bars, we melting in the sun. Why? There's nothing to be scared of here. Trust in Mother Nature, like an owl you can soar.
Hey babe, so we actually just left the water park. We just left Great Wolf Lodge. It'll take us a little less than 2 hours to get back home, but I just wanted to come back on here so I can close out the vlog. So the first thing, like, oh my God, I thought it was over for me and Brooke when we were in that orange tunnel. We basically flipped off of our raft, because you were supposed to have the raft for that, and we both, the raft basically dumped us out, and then that was her kind of sliding in front of me trying to catch her before we made it to the bottom and plunged into like the pool that was at the bottom. So that wasn't supposed to happen. It was a little bit scary, but she pretty much got over it kind of quick, and then we did a few more things. So we did that. I think we pretty much got on everything except for 2 slides. One of them was like the really big slide. I can't really think of the name of it, but I'll put it on the screen if I find it on their website. But overall, I think it was a decent trip to the water park. The only thing is, I personally, because of the size of it, I don't think that the admission was worth $60 a person. So it's basically $120. And then the admission is good from like 10 a.m. until 8 p.m. When they close, we got there around 12:30, and it's now like 7:30. We just left. So we got a decent, I feel like we kind of got our money's worth. But I would say if you were thinking about going and you didn't want to pay for the stays, because the rooms can be like $400 a night. It's like starting off, and that's usually with the discount. The rooms get even more expensive. So if you've been wanting to go to Great Wolf Lodge, then you can just do a day pass, which is what we did. They have like a calendar on the website that lets you check the different days to see which one would be the cheapest. And pretty much, I think Tuesday of this week, the cheapest I've seen the tickets were like $45. And that's usually like a Monday or Tuesday or some random day. But other schools are also on spring break as well. So if you go around busy times, especially in the summer, expect to pay more. The benefit is that basically you get to go to a water park in the winter or springtime when it's not really warm outside, because it's temperature controlled. So that part was good. But I think the max of paying like $60, I personally feel like it could have been like $45, $50 a person, which is I think where the prices start. The other thing is like the food. As I had mentioned, she had got a chicken tender kids meal, and then she had also got like some cheese curds. Her food was almost $20. I ended up getting just like a slice of pizza, a salad, and some Powerade, and that was like $10 and some change, because I went to the restaurant that was outside of the water park. So you can do that as well. Some other things, if you're interested, they did have a full arcade in there. I looked in there, but we didn't have time to do anything like that because it's getting late and we have to drive back home. But they did have a full arcade. The arcade also has a bowling alley in there. And then they had a Build-A-Bear workshop, a regular gift shop. And then the resort itself has hotel rooms, as I mentioned. So all of that is inside of the same building. And they may have had another restaurant. I can't remember if they did or not. And then I know the one that I went to and got my food from, it also had a lot of desserts. They had a gift shop. We didn't even go in the gift shop. I didn't even think about it, honestly. We didn't go in the gift shop. And what else? I think that was pretty much it. But I'm glad that we went. I will maybe go in the future. I do not know if I would ever stay on site at the resort, because at least for this one out here in Mason, Ohio, it's like 20-30 minutes from Cincinnati. So if you come to this one, there's other stuff to do. There's an aquarium in Newport, which is right there. There's other stuff to do in Cincinnati. And then Kings Island, the Six Flags at Kings Island is right down the street from Great Wolf Lodge. So you can certainly just get like a hotel around the area, and then you can just go to all of the other attractions. We both look like exhausted. I feel like I'm hoarse from like yelling because you can hear, and then all of the water and the chemicals in the water and stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and end the vlog now so I can finish driving. As always, thank you so much for watching, babes. Don't forget to like this video and hit that subscribe button if you are not subscribed. And I'll see you babes in the next video. Bye.